So I think we'll need them because we'll need tables for tabletops for the organizations and then for food. And we might place them both outside. So, but if we move them out, we'll
okay.
There's a couple more over here on this bracket.
So
that's
yeah.
Great. Yeah, you can just leave it there.
Stephen, what we could do is we could put Stem Cell Technologies in the corner.
Yeah.
And then have ISCBI, and then Gate.
Yeah.
So and then we could have I don't know, HESI and ISCT and CERM a little bit further away from ISCT. And that looks really good.
I think we will have the food inside. I think during the meeting people like to kind of get up, get their food and go out. So we'll save this.
Okay. The thing is, if they eat outside, then we can set up the AV stuff. Well, we can do it either way. It's pretty.
Grab their food and go out.
What time is your program?
It starts at 8:30, but I think food is coming at 8. The people will be coming in around 8.
Okay.
I'm going to show you the AV real quick. There's 2 controllers, which is easiest. So just touch screen here. Touch to begin. The home screen here. We'll go view computer, podium laptop, projector. Projector will turn on. You'll see the green light. The screen will come down. Podium laptop is obviously this laptop.
Oh, sweet.
This will be here if you want to use this. I don't know how many speakers you have, or if they prefer. Obviously, some people prefer to use their own.
Yeah, I've got speakers that can come out here.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've got multiple connections, but there's no password here. They can load any presentations or anything they have on here. They can get online here, or they can bring their own. And we've got the HDMI or VGA and the Mac adapter.
Okay. This is so organized. Sweet.
So, and then once it's unplugged, plug it back in. Should read it, and then it'll pop back up.
Okay. And is there any pointers or anything?
There are. So we've got microphones and pointers here.
Oh, sweet. That's everything we need.
Have batteries. So pointer, clicker, just plug it in per usual. Slide advancing. Pointers there.
Excellent.
And then microphones, we've got a few options. We have the lapel mics, so we've got 4 microphone channels, as well as the podium mic. So that's just quick on off there. And then the controllers are here. I muted that from our thing the other day. But so coming back to the home page, you can go to microphones, and then these are the 4 channels and the podium mic. The 4 channels sync up to the different microphones. So we've got 1 through 4 for the lapels. 4 lapel mics or 4 handhelds, depending on what you want to use. You just have to use one or the other per.
I think handhelds are better, just because we could have more than 4 panelists. So it's good if they can exchange.
Panelists usually the mics. So these are down here.
Okay.
Simple on off. And those are.
Perfect.
You can control it, match it up wireless 2, and you control the volume up and down here.
Oh, great. Okay.
Check. But the room is big enough that we all pretty much always use microphones. So,
Perfect.
If a crowd of 90 would want to use that. But you can adjust the volumes there. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. If you want to use our video screen, a lot of times we just do that. So it's the same thing. Go to view computer, get the input for the podium laptop, and press this audience display, and then that'll turn on.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Great.
That's pretty much that.
Perfect.
So if we have videos that we're playing, do we have to play them out of this laptop to get the sound, or if we plug any laptop?
It goes through the input. So if you plug in the HDMI, that'll do it.
Okay.
I believe if you're doing it on a Mac.
No, we're not.
It won't be a Mac, it'll be PC. So if it's its own computer, then that. If not, the sound will come through.
Okay.
Sweet.
And then, so the program volume is all the sound, but as long as that's on and not muted, it'll come through the speakers.
Okay.
But any troubleshooting for sound, obviously check these mute buttons, make sure those aren't pressed. Make sure none of the mute buttons under the microphone screen aren't pressed. Yeah.
Any power sources here?
Yes, right back here.
Okay. Perfect. Great.
Right here, this is connected through Ethernet. So you get online if you need to access mail or anything like that, or send yourself a file.
Okay.
And then at the end of the day, just system power. If you want to shut it down, yes, and then everything will shut itself down.
Okay.
Excellent. Okay.
And then sometimes there is feedback if this mic's on. And
Yeah.
you've got the
Oh, you
handheld
get the
on.
other ones.
So if you're getting feedback, just check that that's
Turn that off.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's just the button there.
Okay.
Any other troubleshooting? That's probably about it.
Yeah.
There is the light controls back here. Usually for seminars, just go to the seminar setting. If you need it darker up front, you can use the dimmer. Just press it a couple times, and then those lights in the front will go down. Yeah, depending, the sun will come up here and set here. So depending on what time of day you're talking, it can get bright in here, and you have fluorescent slides and anything else like that. You might want it darker. There are blinds as well.
Oh yeah.
A few shades. You got the half shade.
Oh. Okay.
That.
Yep.